Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of painting tools with a focus on one of the most versatile and efficient options out there, the Xynover cordless paint sprayer. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this tool promises to revolutionize your painting experience. At the forefront of innovation, the Xynover cordless paint sprayer is designed for maximum convenience and performance. Powered by Dewalt 20V max batteries, this sprayer offers unparalleled freedom of movement with its cordless design, making it ideal for a wide range of applications from automotive projects to home renovations. Now, you might be wondering, why should you choose the Xynover cordless paint sprayer over other options on the market? Well, besides its impressive features, it's designed with user convenience in mind. Whether you're tackling a large-scale project or a detailed touch-up, this sprayer delivers consistent results. Let's see it in action. Here, I'll demonstrate how easy it is to use the Xynover cordless paint sprayer. Simply load your preferred paint, adjust the nozzle for the desired spray pattern, and you're ready to go. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling even during prolonged use. As we wrap up this review, it's clear that the Xynover cordless paint sprayer stands out as a top contender in the market. Its combination of performance, versatility, and ease of use make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their painting projects. If you're interested in upgrading your painting tools, check out the link in the description below for more information and where to purchase. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.